Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Remember last time in math we talked about 2D and 3D? In this lesson we're going to focus on 3D shapes, and I think we're going to cover 2 or 3 shapes today. So let's go through 3D shapes together and let's do the activities together too. Okay, first shape that we're going to look at is sphere. Sphere. What object does it remind you of? What does it look like? Very good. Probably a ball you play with, earth, and if you can even see an orange sphere. Okay, let's go to the next picture. A cube. Cube is made of squares, and what does it look like? A dice and a cube that you play with the puzzle. It's also called cube, isn't it? Okay, next one. Pyramid. It looks like a pyramid that you can see in Egypt. Next one, cuboid. The boxes of an ice cream and a cereal is a shape of cuboid. Even a tissue box, they're usually a shape of cuboid too. Cylinder. It's a long round shape, and usually you get a canned food with in a cylinder too. And a cone. Oh, my favorite food, ice cream cone. That is also called a cone. Remember we made those and we hang them in the ceiling in the classroom? Yeah, for the new year, remember? Cone. And triangular prism. And it looks like a tent. Okay, so those are the 3D shapes. So let's get into the book and see what they have given us. We're going to start with spheres and cylinders. Sphere and cylinder. And the mommy is cutting the sphere-shaped orange into half and making an orange juice, I think. It's a circle each bowl-shaped object. Put an X on each can-shaped object. Which one is a bowl shape and can shape? That's correct. Sphere is a bowl shape and cylinder is a can shape. The earth, what does it look like? A bowl or a can? A bowl shape. So do we circle or put an X? The bowl shape, we circle. Okay, can you point out all the bowls shaped? Here is an actual bowl and there's an actual bowl too. And here is a bowl shape. Let's look at the cylinder shape, cane shaped. Let's look at the cane shape. You put an X on a cup like this, on a drum too. In the next page, put an X on the one that does not belong. Tell your teachers why it does not belong. We're going to put an X on the thing, on the object that looks odd, that does not belong. You can actually bring it to school and explain to me why you put an X on it, but this page, I think you should do it on your own and get your reasons for me. And if it's the valid reason, that's the correct answer. So there is no correct or wrong answer, as long as you can explain it to me why. So I want you to do this page alone. And let's go to the rectangular solids. Oh, the cuboid shapes are also called rectangular solids. Make the shape Mrs. Brown is placing on the shelf. A brown sugar. Does it look like a cylinder, sphere, or rectangular solids? Great, I think it looks like a rectangular solids too. Very clever. It's a circle, 5 boxed shape objects. Box shape object. Let's find 5. Tissue or present box, 1. Cereal box, 2. It looks like a dice, 3. And that looks like a cube puzzle, 4. And a tissue box, 5. I think we found 5. Others are other spheres or cylinder shapes. It says mark the shape that matches the object. Even this one, I think you can do it on your own. Yeah, you can just mark what shape it is underneath here. Okay, and count the shapes, write the numbers, circle the number that is less. Let's count how many purple triangles. How many? 5, correct. And how many rectangles? 1, very good. Which one is less? Less means small. Very good, blue rectangles. Let's circle the number after you write it. Okay, very well done, pretty one. Thank you for following the lessons very nicely. You're going to complete the works that I didn't do with you on your own and bring it back to school when you do. And that was it for today. We're going to look at other 3D shapes in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you all. Stay safe. Bye.